Beginning with the Neutral Series can bring awareness to the key components of alignment, breath, and core strength. My name is Tucker. I'm a certified Pilates instructor, and in this video, I'll be going through the Neutral Series levels 1 through 3. And I'll begin in neutral spine, so that's sitting on the mat, feet about hip width apart, knees about 90 degrees, and rolling on down. Shoulders, back of the arms resting on the mat, head resting gently on the mat, nose pointed straight up to the ceiling. Inhale through the nose and exhale to engage the transversus abdominis, the lower, deep stabilizing core muscles. And with that exhale, bringing one leg in a tabletop and down. And other leg in a tabletop and inhale down. Continue with that. So exhaling up, inhaling down, movement from the hip, maintaining the structure in the knee. Spine stay stable, hips stay stable. This is level 1 of the Neutral Series. Goal is to begin engaging the core as well as stabilization of the spine and the hips. Hips aren't rocking. And again, maintaining the structure of the knee as it goes up, as well as maintaining the breath. Inhale up, exhale down, or really whatever's comfortable. And with this next one, we'll leave the right leg up and bring the left up to meet it. And then the first one goes down, the right leg down, and the left down. Same pattern, starting with the other leg. Left leg up, right leg up to meet it. Left leg down, right leg. And switching again, continuing level 2 of the Neutral Series here. And same goals of spine stabilization, hip stabilization, but adding a little bit of difficulty with both legs coming up. And switching the starting foot each time, just to help to alleviate any imbalance between the right or left side. And continuing with the breathing. And for this, breathing a little more of what is comfortable. So I might exhale up, inhale with both up, and then exhale down, or again, at whatever comfortable pattern. And at this time, we'll stop and rest for just a moment. Wiggle the hips around, take out any tension that might have accumulated, and we'll move into level 2.5 of the Neutral Series. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling, belly's tight. Both legs come up. Right leg out straight at 45 and back. Left leg out 45 and back. And continuing, exhaling with the extension, inhaling back in. And as we move through these Neutral Series progressions, testing the strength of the abdominals, testing the strength of the deep stabilizing core muscles. So if there comes a time where I'm not able to perform these movements, then I'm really not able to continue progressing throughout the Pilates workout until I could get to the point of completing through this Neutral Series program. So again, spine stable, hips aren't rocking, core is engaged, maintaining the breathing, exhaling out, inhaling in. Watching for the chest to rise or the belly to dome. That means I'm not engaging the core quite as well as I should be. Let's go one more on each side. Inhale in and exhale both legs down. And moving into the final portion, level 3 of the Neutral Series. Inhaling in through the nose. Inhaling in through the nose can help to regulate the breathing, help with filtering the oxygen a little more, and also keeps the mouth from drying out if you're breathing in and out with the mouth open. And then exhale up, both legs up. Inhale to begin, and exhale. Right leg out straight, same as level 2.5. This time it lowers to the floor and back up. Other leg out straight, lowers down, and back up. And continuing. Exhale. And can do a breathing pattern really what's comfortable. So it could be exhale out, pause to inhale, exhale down, and inhale back in, or exhale for the entire movement and inhale back in. So whatever's more comfortable. And spine stay stable. Also being aware of neutral spine here. So as the leg goes out, not overarching to compensate for not having enough strength in the core. So as I go out and the leg goes down, not hyperextending or overextending the lower back because it doesn't have the strength to hold the extended foot all the way up. Let's go one more on each side. Extend out, down, and back up. Last one. And both legs down. I'll come on up. Thank you for joining me for the Neutral Series, levels 1 through 3. For this workout, I am wearing the Brokig joggers. They're linked in my description along with the other at-home equipment I'm using right now. They are affiliate links, so if you use my link and purchase the products, I get a small commission at no charge to you. And if you finish this video, I think you're ready for this beginner Pilates workout. I'll see you there.